Hey everybody, it's me, Daniel Pardo here, and today we are playing Flood Survival, and I just died because Julian wanted to kill me, so yeah. So we're just like trying to survive. Oh, and this is part 3 of Flood Survival. Ooh, playground, guys. Don't scream again! Now they can barely even hear you, you know that, right? No! Help me, oh god! Oh, the wave was about to kill me. That falls. Uh-oh. Maybe I should go in this one. No! I died. Let me close my door. Maybe if I put you on speaker. Well, we died. I hope it... Julian. Julian, now you're wearing a hat. I am so getting back up here. What am I doing? Oh. Of course I will fall, guys. And dude, why are you so quiet, Julian, why are you so quiet? Stupid idiot. Whatever. Guys, I might have to put you on hold because my brother died. Guys. Thank you. Hold on, guys. I will be... Oh, never mind. He hanged up. But I'll be back. So yeah, guys, he broke my speakers, so I can barely even hear him now. Great job, Julian. What? What? You broke out my speakers, so now I can barely even hear you. Great going, dude. What? I don't know, you just yelled too loud. I can't hear you, I'm telling you that. Oh, good job. Why did you close your speaker? Wow, Julian, you're over there and I'm over here. Now I can see the water. You're about to die. Uh-oh. Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, I can hear you now. What did you do? Why did you scream so loud? Julian! Whoops. So guys, he is stupid because he died somehow. How did he die? Don't know. Probably too late. Guys, the reason I'm being quiet is because it's so boring. I talk to people so much. Now I'm gonna be so quiet. I can not even hear my breathing. I'm so quiet. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with Julian. He just hangs up straight on me. Oh, so close. What's in that coffin? That's what I want to know. What's in that coffin? I want that coffin. R-I... You hang up. Because you hang up. People are gonna kill me. Yes? No, don't. I'm not gonna call you because I don't leave the game, right, guys? Seriously. Oh my god, it's almost time to stop this episode. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And see you in the next video! I have to do it later. Do, 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 do. Fine. Wait, now I'm gonna leave the game.